Hello everybody, this is my full guide on how to enable DirectX 12 Ultimate on your PC. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your hardware is compatible with DirectX 12 Ultimate. So your NVIDIA needs to be at least a RTX 20 series or higher, etc, etc. But how do you confirm it? So you type in WR. This will bring up the run dialog. WR is in Windows, the button plus R, by the way. Type in DXDIAG and hit enter. This will bring up your DirectX diagnostic tool. Now from here, click on the display tab. And from here, the name and driver model should say WDDM 2.7 or above. If it doesn't say that, then it can't support it. So make sure that that is correct. After you have done that, make sure that your Windows is Windows 11 or Windows 10 version 2004 or later. But Windows 11 is recommended, so go to Settings, Windows Update on the left hand side and check for updates and make sure that you have done this. After you have done this, restart your PC after updating. Windows 12 Ultimate is bundled with the Windows 11 updates, by the way, so you don't need to download it separately. Okay, after you have done this, of course, make sure that your NVIDIA drivers are, or NVIDIA or AMD, of course, are up to date. If you do not have the NVIDIA app software, you need to download it and click on drivers and make sure that you have the correct drivers installed. Okay, after you have done that, make sure that your system recognizes the DirectX 12 Ultimate. So go back to Run or Windows button plus R, DXDIAG, hit enter. And under the System tab, it should say DirectX 12. Under the Display tab, you should see something called Feature Levels right here. If it look for 12.2 right here, 12_2. If it only says 12_0 or 12_1, your GPU probably does not support Ultimate. And the last step is to enable DirectX 12 Ultimate in games or apps. It isn't a toggle manually. It's activated by compatible applications if your hardware or drivers support it. Many games do support it: Call of Duty, Black Ops 6, Cyberpunk 2077, etc, etc. Go to Games, Graphics Settings and look for options like DirectX 12, Ray Tracing DXR and enable them if available. If the game offers a DirectX version, select DirectX 12 and some games will auto-detect Ultimate features, and that is it. That is how you enable DirectX 12 Ultimate. Thank you very much.